In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create scrolling text in Canva step by step. Whether you want moving text for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, presentations, or promotional videos, this simple animation technique will make your designs look dynamic and professional. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the smooth scrolling trick that most beginners overlook. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Canva and log into your account. From the home screen, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. You can choose any format you like, but for this example, I'll select Video 1920 by 1080 so we can clearly see the scrolling animation. Once your blank canvas opens, you're ready to add your text. Now, go to the Text tab on the left-hand side. Click on Add a Heading or choose any text style that fits your design. Type the message you want to scroll across the screen. This could be an announcement, a call to action, subtitles, credits, or promotional text. After typing your text, use the top toolbar to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Make sure your text is large enough to read clearly, especially if you're creating content for mobile viewers. Next, position your text where you want the scrolling to begin. If you want horizontal scrolling from right to left, drag the text box slightly outside the right edge of the canvas. If you want vertical scrolling, like movie credits, position the text below the bottom edge of the canvas. The key idea is to start the text off-screen so it can move across the frame. Now here's where the animation happens. Click on the text box to select it. Then at the top of the screen, click on Animate. Canva will show you several preset animation styles. You can experiment with options like slide, rise, or pan. If you want more control in smoother scrolling, click on Create an Animation. This feature lets you manually control the movement path. After clicking Create an Animation, click and drag your text from its starting position to where you want it to end. For example, if your text starts off the right side of the screen, drag it across to the left side, slightly outside the canvas. Canva will automatically create a smooth motion path between those 2 points. This creates the scrolling effect. Next, adjust the duration of the animation. At the bottom of the screen, click on the timeline and increase the page duration to control the scrolling speed. A longer duration means slower scrolling, and a shorter duration means faster movement. For smooth, readable scrolling text, try setting the duration between 8 and 15 seconds, depending on how much text you have. If you're creating vertical scrolling text like end credits, the process is the same. Start the text below the canvas, click Create an Animation, and drag it upward past the top of the screen. Then extend the timeline duration so viewers have enough time to read everything comfortably. You can also enhance your scrolling text by adding background elements. Go to the Elements tab and add a shape behind your text to improve contrast. Adjust the transparency if needed so your text remains the main focus. This makes your scrolling message stand out clearly. Once you're happy with the animation, click the play button at the top right to preview your scrolling text. Watch carefully to check the speed, spacing, and readability. If it feels too fast or too slow, simply adjust the duration again until it looks perfect. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video for the best quality if you're posting on social media or YouTube. Then click Download, and your scrolling text video will be exported and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you create smooth, professional scrolling text in Canva using built-in animation tools. It's simple, customizable, and perfect for making your content more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.